I'm Robert Stuart-Smith. I have an architectural practice, Robert Stuart-Smith Design, but I also do research and teaching at the Architectural Association School of Architecture and UCL Computer Science. And basically my work looks into both design and construction logistics for swarm robots and industrial robots undertaking 3D printing for buildings. The building and construction industry is perhaps one of the best places for additive manufacturing because every building site is bespoke. It requires a unique solution and often has a unique shape and constraints. It's slower to be adopted there because buildings have to often survive for quite a long time under quite rigorous safety standards as well as use criteria, like how practical they are. It's really happening already. We see a lot of 3D printing companies emerging and constructing buildings all over the world, but it's a slow process and there'll be many technologies that find their way into it. One of the biggest challenges is material. Which materials are able to kind of be a substantial replacement to existing building materials in all kinds of situations, particularly things like floor slabs, which appear simple, are one of the hardest things to 3D print right now. But we're slowly getting there with more material science. I think the presentations we saw were a great diverse section of what's going on right now in the building industry, and the show as well. I can't wait to have a look around, but I could already see that we have some fantastic examples here of what's actually taking place right now. So I think it's really hit the mark there, yes. Yeah. It's a fantastic city for that, actually. First of all, we're standing not very far away, a couple of 100 meters from the Barcelona Pavilion by Mies van der Rohe, one of the seminal examples of architecture. It's about 100 years old and it's still quite radical, actually. And also, this is the city where IAC, quite a phenomenal school of architecture is. It's really pushing boundaries in terms of 3D printing and robot manufacture.